DIY face mask for dark spots, pigmentation, and scars. A natural face mask that will eliminate quickly all your skin problems such as dark circles, pores, and ACN. Follow the recipe step by step to get all the benefits. These are the ingredients. I'm gonna tell all their benefits and why I use them. Starting off with rice powder. Rice powder offers various benefits for the skin. Its natural exfoliating properties help remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and promote smoother, brighter skin, rich in vitamins and minerals. It can help improve skin texture, reduce excess oil, and even out skin tone. Additionally, rice powder contains anti-inflammatory compounds, making it suitable for soothing irritated skin. Its mild nature makes it suitable for sensitive skin types, providing a gentle yet effective way to enhance the overall health and appearance of the skin. Then passing to chickpea flour. Chickpea flour acts as a natural exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, promoting a smoother complexion. Chickpea flour is known to lighten skin tone and reduce the appearance of dark spots and blemishes, giving the skin a brighter and more even complexion. Rich in antioxidants, chickpea flour helps combat free radicals that can damage the skin and contribute to premature skin aging. It contains nutrients that support collagen production, promoting skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The antibacterial properties of chickpea flour can assist in fighting acne-causing bacteria, making it a natural remedy for managing breakouts. Our next ingredient is sandalwood powder. Sandalwood has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritated skin, making it beneficial for conditions like eczema and dermatitis. It's known for its skin lightening effects, helping to reduce dark spots and pigmentation, resulting in a brighter and more even complexion. The powder can promote skin elasticity by stimulating collagen production, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Sandalwood has natural antiseptic properties, making it effective in treating acne and preventing further breakout. Applying sandalwood powder can provide a cooling sensation, making it refreshing and soothing for the skin. Sandalwood imparts a pleasant fragrance, adding a natural aroma to skincare routines. Our last ingredient, milk. The natural fats and proteins in milk act as excellent moisturizers, keeping the skin soft and hydrated. Milk contains lactic acid, which can contribute to a brighter and more even skin tone by reducing the appearance of dark spots. And pigmentation. The anti-inflammatory properties of milk can help calm irritated skin and provide relief from conditions like sunburn or redness. The lactic acid and other components in milk have mild antibacterial properties, making it beneficial for managing acne and preventing breakouts. Milk can be used as a natural cleanser, effectively removing dirt and impurities from the skin. One tablespoon chickpea flour, 1 tablespoon sandalwood powder and 1 tablespoon rice powder. Then add 4 tablespoon milk. Mix well. Until this texture. Exfoliation. Rice powder and chickpea flour act as natural exfoliants, helping to slough off dead skin cells, leaving your skin smoother and brighter. Skin brightening. Both sandalwood powder and rice powder contribute to reducing dark spots and pigmentation, promoting a more radiant and even skin tone. Anti-inflammatory. Sandalwood powder and chickpea flour contain anti-inflammatory properties, soothing irritated skin and potentially alleviating conditions like eczema. Moisturizing. The natural fats in milk provide moisturizing properties, preventing dryness and maintaining skin hydration. Oil control. Chickpea flour helps in controlling excess oil on the skin, making it suitable for individuals with oily or acne-prone skin. Acne treatment. The antibacterial properties of sandalwood powder and chickpea flour, combined with the cleansing properties of rice powder, can assist in managing acne and preventing breakouts. Anti-aging. The combination of ingredients may contribute to collagen production, promoting skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Using clean fingertips or a brush. Apply an even layer of the mask to your face, avoiding the delicate eye area. Allow the mask to dry on your face. This usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes. Use this time to relax and let the ingredients work on your skin. Once the mask is dry, gently rinse it off with lukewarm water. You can use gentle circular motions to exfoliate as you rinse. Pat your face dry and follow up with your regular moisturizer to lock in hydration. Use this mask once or twice a week for best results. Overuse may lead to skin irritation.